LDT Entertainment.
What's going on, everybody? Mono Mojo here, LDT. Today I have a huge announcement. We finally reached 50 subscribers! Yes! Fucking finally! Man, tell you the truth, guys, I didn't expect it to take that long. I don't know if you guys are watching and you're not subscribing, but if you don't know already, I have a $100 tattoo giveaway when we reach 50 subscribers. So at this point, I think you either need to change your status so people can view that you follow them or your page or something. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but I can only view so many people, maybe like 15, 20 people that follow me. So those people for sure going into the drawing. Otherwise, I guess maybe we can do, if you comment and like on this video, I will enter everybody that comments. I appreciate the love and support that, all my friends and family have been giving me. This has been a crazy time for all of us. This is the way that I've been kind of dealing with things, and yeah. Today I think I have a big rack for my comic books. You can see I have an overflow of boxes that are sitting on the ground, and I don't like that. So I want to get them up on the racks. You can see the one behind me. I had a smaller rack, it only fits 6. I already have an extra one on top of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this small rack with one of the larger ones. So I should have more than enough space now. So let's get into it. I think I might do maybe a little time lapse of me opening, but yeah, let's do that time lapse. Oh, kind of looks a little different. Maybe it's just me. Damn it. Yeah, so what I'm doing here is just screwing in these little rubber, there we go, rubber stoppers here on the bottom of these 4 legs. Ba-bam. One more. So yeah, this shelf is not as beefy as the one that I have, but I think it better be the same size. And I mean, hopefully it's gonna work. It's not gonna bend up too much, because now that I'm pushing on it, this doesn't seem like it's very sturdy. Let's see what happens. Alright, we got one shelf done. 4 more to go. Let's do it. Boom. Shelf number 2. Let's do the 3rd. All right. Third shelf in, baby. 2 more shelves to go. Oh, joy! Starting to come together. Come together. 1 more shelf. Oh, dang. There it is. And just like that, boys and girls, we got ourselves a new bookshelf. Like I said, it's not as sturdy as the one that I have, but I think it's going to do the job. I definitely was in need of this bad boy.
This bad boy.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange some stuff. Probably not going to do it on camera. Maybe I'll do it on camera. I don't know. But I will come back when I am done and show you what it looks like. I'll show you what it looks like. Well, I got it in place. Now, let's fill it with some books. Son of a gun, I freaking did it. Oh man, oh man. It only took me 46 minutes. You're still on too? Hey, what's going on? Man, I'm sweating bullets in here. Ooh, let's get warm. Alright, let's give you guys the tour. Shall we? Here we are, boys and girls. Nice new shelf. But yeah, I've been eating this for a long time. I might end up kind of moving stuff around. But yeah, wanted to get these long boxes. My only 2 long boxes. I don't buy any more long boxes. Just the short ones. But yeah, those long boxes are just too bulky. But at least they're off the ground now. Everybody's got their space. And pretty sure it's gonna work. So that's good. I don't know exactly how I'm doing a $100 tattoo giveaway, but I'm sure by the time this is posted, I would have figured it out. So look down in the description and you'll... of knowledge. I don't know what that was. But yeah, just look down in the description, guys, and I'm sure I will explain it a little bit better. Peace.
Wreckin' Ralph.